Welcome. In this video, you'll learn exactly how to report a friend on Snapchat, step by step, with the most up-to-date process for 2025. Whether you're dealing with harassment, bullying, or any kind of inappropriate behavior, knowing how to report someone helps keep Snapchat a safe and enjoyable place for everyone. Let's get started. First, open up Snapchat on your phone. Once you're in, look for your Bitmoji or profile icon in the top left corner of the screen and tap on it. This will take you straight to your profile page. Next, scroll down and tap on My Friends. Here, you'll see a list of everyone you're connected with on Snapchat. Find the friend you want to report. Once you spot their name, press and hold down on it for a second or two. This will open up a menu with more options. At the top right of this menu, you'll see 3 dots. Tap on them. Then, select Manage Friendship. This brings up another set of options, and here's where you'll find the Report button. Tap on Report, and Snapchat will ask you to confirm your choice and select a reason for reporting. Choose the most accurate reason that matches the situation, then confirm your report. Your report will be sent directly to Snapchat's Trust and Safety team for review. The process is completely anonymous. Snapchat will never reveal your identity to the person you're reporting. If the account or content breaks Snapchat's community guidelines, Snapchat may remove the content or even suspend the account to help protect the community. Remember, reporting isn't just about protecting yourself. It helps keep the entire Snapchat community safe and respectful. If you ever feel unsafe or see something truly serious, don't hesitate to reach out to local authorities as well. That's it. You've now learned how to report a friend on Snapchat. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to share it with others who might need it. Stay safe, and see you next time.